It is important to use the right probe for your application. This ensures two things. Firstly, you get an accurate temperature reading in the fastest possible time. Secondly, you maximise the lifetime of your probe and reduce the risk of damage. So there are 5 different types of temperature probe. In this short video, we'll talk you through the options and how you should choose which probe works best for you. So the default go-to probe is the fast response penetration probe, which I've got here, which narrows down to a sharp penetration point. This makes it easy to penetrate a wide range of products with minimal product damage occurring. The tapered end to the probe also makes the response time even faster, which is excellent when you need to check products going through a rapid change in temperature, such as cooked meats, for example. Sometimes you need to measure a core temperature, but your product is harder for the probe to penetrate. Examples of this are frozen products and deep muscle carcasses. In this instance, you should use a heavy-duty penetration probe. It has all the benefits of a fast response penetration probe and looks very similar, including the tapered end to reduce response times as much as possible. However, it has a thicker stem which is reinforced to give it extra durability. It is important to note when using a fast response or a heavy-duty penetration probe, you should insert the end of the probe into the thickest part of the sample and ensure the reading has stabilised. When using the ATFX 410 thermometer, look at the little arrows to the left of the temperature reading. They will disappear when the reading has stabilised. Next up, the air probe. This has an open sensor tip which allows fast measurement of air temperatures. All Klipspringer air probes have a stainless steel shaft to protect the sensor from damage. Use an air probe for measuring environmental temperatures in storage, production and transit applications. Common uses include lairages, chillers and freezers. It's important to note, however, that you should not get air sensors wet due to the exposed sensor, and this includes steam and condensation. Likewise, do not use air sensors for probing physical product, as this will damage the sensor. Sometimes you need to measure the core temperature of packed or finished product, but must avoid damaging the product as much as possible. This is where the between pack probe is needed to carry out a non-destructive test. It is carefully shaped to slide between boxes and packages without causing damage, and the rounded nose also gives you a reliable and responsive temperature reading, whilst eliminating the risk of damage to your product. Between pack probes are ideal for measuring the temperature of pallets or boxes of incoming ingredients or outgoing finished product. Lastly, for measuring liquid temperatures, it is often advisable to use an immersion probe. They are typically used for temperature measurement of products such as beverages, soups, sauces and jams, and are available in a wide range of lengths from 120mm, which I have here, to over a metre. This makes them ideal in deep vats and cooking vessels. As they are being used in liquids, they do not need a penetration point, and this has obvious health and safety advantages. For added convenience, Klipspringer probes are available with coiled or straight leads and in 6 different colour options to help reinforce your site colour coding policy. You can view the full range of probe options online or call 01473 461 800 to discuss your application with our tech team today.